International student. It's a hostel number 9/1. It is a completely renovated hostels which is allocated for the international student, basically for the Indians. We are going inside now. You can see this is the entrance gate of this hostel. Now I'm in the security counter of this hostel. You can see we have a security, and based on that only anybody can go inside the hostel. There is a card system. After using the card only someone can enter into that, and based on that we are moving inside the hostel. There is a CCTV camera available throughout, which is very important for safety. They are following complete COVID rules. You can see throughout there is a Now I'm moving in the hostel. We have a washing facility. You can see there's a board available that displays the washing time is from 9 o'clock morning to night 9 o'clock, 9 to 21. You can see we have ample number of good quality washing machines are available. The student no need to pay any single rupees for using this particular washing machine. They just need to buy the washing powder. They can clean their clothes and they can stay clean over there. So it is one of the great facilities which they are offering basically for the Indian student. We are moving into the next room now. Yes, now again I am coming inside the kitchen facility which is available for the international student. You can see these all are the induction stove basically. As you know, all the students who are flying from India, we used to instruct them to carry the induction stove. So that they can use over here. There is no cost for using this particular facility. It's a completely free of cost. Everything included on their hostel charges. So we have ample number of stove. We have a sitting place. We have a dining place, and simultaneously we have a vessels washing place. We have the lift facility here for the international student. Now we are moving towards the common hall of the university hostel. Basically, these kind of rooms are used for entertainment purpose, used for some common meeting purpose. Okay, you can see inside there's a lots of musical instruments, televisions, like for sitting purpose, sofa, everything is available. So this is basically a part of the hostels where all kind of conference, all kind of meetings can be conducted by the university side, or even students can also celebrate their birthday parties and any other programs and all. So these facilities are also available basically inside this hostel, and they have planned everything by keeping in mind of international students requirement. 7th floor for the hostel number 9/1. Yes, this is the actual hostel actually which is going to assign for the Indian student. As you have seen, we have the lift facility over there, and we just came with the support of that. Now we are going inside the rooms and floors which I am going to explore. This is which I am going to open. It's a learning hall. Basically, learning hall it's a common place where students used to do their self-study. When they wish to discuss with any concepts with their friends, seniors, they can come to this place and utilize this. As now, it's a empty hall, but yes, as the session will start, you will find there is ample number of sitting arrangements and all other facilities will be provided. Now next, I am moving towards the room facilities which is available over here. You can see there is a water ma'am available, and we are moving inside. This is a 3-seater room basically. You can see this room has 3 cots, but yes, it's a completely empty cots. still they have not aligned all the facility what's required. Once the season will start, you will find all such facilities along with the mattresses, bed seats, pillow. You can find there's a covered system on the room for all three students. This is the room number 701. For 3 students, there is 3 cupboards, there is 3 safety locks. So you should not worry at all. You have the chair facility, table facility. So everything which requires basically for a very good room. You can see the outside view of the room from here also. Very fantastic facility. In the lowest budget, definitely I'll recommend this particular university and their hostel facility for the Indian student. Next move. One very interesting things which we have. This is a kind of flat systems. So here we have one more room available attached with this. It consists of 2 cots. So this is a 2 sharing room. You can see there's a 2 cots available, and accordingly they have the cupboard for 2 people. They have a table, chair, everything for the 2 people. But yes, there is no any additional cost. There is no any additional cost. It will be decided based on the first come, first services, and based on that only this will be allocated. One important thing, you see there is a smoke detecting system. Very important. So inside the hostel, you are not allowed to do any kind of smoking and any other activities. It will give the informations to the warden with the support of this CCTV camera. Inside the room there is no CCTV camera, but outside the warden room they have very good latest toilet facilities. So no one can complain. There's not neat and clean. Everything is very clean. There's a place for cleaning purpose. And again, we have it like lobby to move for the other rooms. Like this is the room number 703, 704, and through that corridor we can come out. We have ample facility available, which basically required for the student. University has the gym section, sports sections. Basically, university have all the facilities which needed for a student. As we have seen, we have the gym, we have the indoor stadium, we have all kind of requirements like kitchen, washing machine, the room facility. Everything is in very ample way it is available. And when we talk about this particular city, it's a very beautiful city. Like this city is a neat and clean, as you're already aware. It is very near to the Finland border, that is very near to the Europe. So cleanness is one of the important part which they maintains. This city has like McDonald's, KFC, all the international brands. So any person who is basically willing to get settle in this kind of city is possible. I'll explore with my other videos with the tour of Petrozavodsk city. She is the warden madam and we'll see.